I was asked to burn this from a classmate. It's lint, pocket lint. I just bought this today. Lighter fluid. First I'm gonna try burning it normally with, hold on. There you go. Nope.
Earlier, after, yeah, he didn't have nothing earlier, so it kind of took me too long. And by the time I got it,
it does not light.
A couple more in there.
So, alright. So I'm just gonna, you know. Oh, okay.
He's not used to that kind of food. So
I just doused it. I'm not gonna lie. I just doused it. Oh shoot. Alright. You know, I'm doing this at 7 something, so. So that's what, you know, just pick it up. You know, you could just pick it up, play with it. Not really. I mean, fuck. I mean, it's fire. Obviously, you can't just go like this and stuff with it like I'm doing. You can do that. Ashes. A little bit burns, but not too much. This is pocket lint, by the way. Pocket lint. I was given to this by a friend. His name is Samuel. Thanks for giving this to me, I guess. I don't really have a dryer, so I don't have pocket lint or lint anywhere. So, you know, since he requested this personally to me, I'm gonna just move these butts over here. Cigarette butts. Alright. Now since he gave it to me, I'm gonna just do this for him. Just for him. Or you guys, you know, for all of you.
Alright, go eat a chicken leg.
Like that. You see how I doused that, right? Right.
Why?
Allah Akbar. Woo. Look at that bright. You know. This is just for, you know, I got nothing else to do around here except play with fire. Ooh, whoa. That won't go out, will it? Hey.